G'day, Michael from the Generator Place here. I thought I'd do a quick video on what happens when you receive your new RATO R3100 unit. So when you receive it from the Generator Place, it'll arrive as exactly the same inside the box. So all you need to do is take the unit out of the box and pre-deliver it. So if you open up the box, you see it comes with your toolkit, your operating manual, and the unit's covered in plastic. So all you simply do is just pull the unit out of the box. And we find the easiest way is just put it up on a nice flat bench to pre-deliver the unit. So just quickly run through the unit. You have one side with your access to your oil sump. On your other side, you have your pull cord. Then at the front of the unit, you have all of your 15 amp lead inputs, your on-off and all your other gear. On the top of the unit, you have your fuel. So we recommend using 91 or 95 fuel. You have your spark plug access panel there. And on the other side, we also have a fuel gauge. So that'll tell you how much fuel you have in the unit. Now, one of the benefits with the RATO 3100, it is 29 kilos. So you have a single handle pickup, but you also have a two handle pickup. So if 29 kilos is a little bit too much for you to pick up, then you do have those two handles so that you can have a two-person pickup at the same time. So as I said, when the unit arrives from the Generator Place, it's a dry unit. There is no oil and fuel in the unit. So you just need to pre-deliver it. So I'll run through now how simple it is to pre-deliver the RATO R3100. So first thing, fuel. So as I said, 91 or 95, just 500 mils or a litre of fuel will be enough to pre-deliver the unit. So just fill your fuel in the tank there. Spark plug will already be connected, so no need to do anything there. Now, what you want to do is access the side panel, which is opposite the pull cord. So everything you need is there. So inside your toolkit, you'll receive a little Phillips head screwdriver. Just take out the two top bolts at the top, and then simply just take the front cover off. That will then give you access to both the oil sump and also the battery to start the unit. So that's correct. One of the big benefits with the R3100, it is pull start and also electric start. So that's one of the great benefits for such a small unit with a rated output of 3 kilowatts. So it's just a fantastic unit. So to connect the battery, I'll just put these little, okay, it's very simple. The battery doesn't have positive, negative terminals. It's just got a simple plug and play. So you just simply grab the lead and plug it in. That's all you need to do. Your battery is now connected. Now with the oil, what we recommend to do is just tilt the unit back slightly so that you can undo the oil sump. Now what you want to do is fill the oil so that it's right to the top of the thread on the oil indicator. So as you can see there, just filling it right to the top of that thread should be the perfect amount of oil. So once you got that correct, simply do your oil sump back up and the unit is all ready to go. So what we do, just put your cover back on. And you can put your little Phillips head screws back in. So, thank you. Okay, so that's all done back up. Now, as I said, so fuel's in, oil's in, it's all ready to go. So all you simply do is just turn the unit around to the front. Now you have two options. You can either just turn the unit into the on position, press and hold the start button for 2 seconds and then the unit will start, or you can turn it in the on position and pull start. So the pull starts there as a backup in case you happen to not have a battery with enough charge in it. So like any battery, it does need maintenance. You will need to just put a small trickle charge on it if you're not using the unit regularly. So that's it, very simple. That's how you pre-deliver the R3100 when you receive it from the generator place. Now, one of the big benefits with us is we are open 7 days a week. So all you need to do is give us a call and we will be able to answer any questions that you might have. Or you can jump on our website and get the information that you require, or come and see us at one of the shows and we will be able to run through everything with you and show the unit in action, working and running the van. So 2 big benefits with the generator place: we double your warranty. So when you purchase through the generator place, we're doubling the warranty to 4 years. So that's right, it's a 4-year warranty. So you've got a rated 3 kilowatt output, electric start, 29 kilos with a 4-year warranty. The other big benefit through the generator place is we offer that money back guarantee. It will run any caravan air conditioner on the market. So you can buy with 100% confidence that the unit will do the job that you want. So that's the R3100. If you have any questions, just give us a call. And don't forget, Generator Place has got you covered.